What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Oh snap, there's a Toyota T100 before they called it a Tacoma and Tundra. Ooh, that's cool. I need a shift. Oh my god, that's really cool. I'm gonna focus on that real quick. Dang, stood the test of time. Still rolling. Anyways, just got out of work. Andy's right behind me. He met me up at work. I don't even know if you can see his booty. Ooh, I can't see it. But we're gonna go to a car wash real quick, and then we're gonna hit up this Lemont Car Show. And usually it's a theme every other Tuesday, And the theme for this Tuesday, is import night. So we're cool enough to come through. Usually it's just classic cars that show up, but the only reason I know about the spot is I keep driving through it or riding through it when I go to Bolingbrook, and I see it all the time. I wanted to join, and maybe next time we go back there, there's a day where it's a closer and like it calls all, you know, all makes, models, cars, motorcycles, off-roaders, 4x4s, anything. So that might be cool to do. So yeah, let's go to the car wash, the hand car wash, and see how it goes. And we'll keep you guys updated. Man, as long as they don't lose my keys, I'm alright, bro. Shit. It's like watching fish. Fish. But it's our fishies. No. Damn, the whip is looking way better. Super clean. Better than I have left it. So this is really nice. Andy's still getting worked on, so I'll just update you guys on the road. Alright guys, I wish I vlogged that because it is hectic. There's a car crash over there. Everyone is just like bumper to bumper, but Andy's behind me in this Jeep, and we're coming up on Lemont now, and let's figure out where I can park, and yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. I should probably vlog this part. My left foot is fucking hurting right now. But we're in Lemont, and there's hella people, like classic cars, exotics, to even cars like mine. So it's kind of cool. I think I'm the only Corolla here, and yeah, we'll update you guys when I park because it's so hard parking right now. All right, later. Wait,
and we're back in Lemont.
We just parked. I didn't even show them where we parked, but we parked over there. I'll show you guys later. It doesn't really matter. We're under the bridge, and we're just gonna walk around and enjoy some cars. Maybe I'll tape some stuff that I like, but I don't know. We'll see. This is a good spot right here. If you can get here early enough, that's a good spot right there. Super nice. Oh, bad. There's another one that posted like 2 hours ago. Is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa, look at these, bro. That's cool.
Starting training. Training's about 6 months.
Are these the Caterham, I think? Right? Yeah, I was right, Caterham. These are so cool. Emotional support vehicle? Yo! I want that. I need that. Huh? The Abra? Yeah. I like this. This is so cool. Dude, he's got like a headset so he can talk to the passenger. That's sick. Yeah, this Abra is pretty cool, huh? I like how small it is. This is my type of vehicle, honestly.
It's like that episode of Top Gear where they have like the P50 small ass cars.
Oh yeah. I like this one, small ones. Yo. What? It's for sale, right here. Just so I got on the video if you want to buy it, bro. This is clean. Next car. Hey, this would look really good with a Tomodachi division like banner on there, man. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
This is a Nissan Figaro. This is kind of cool. This is probably meant for like Euro market, right? But it's like a Nissan. That's so cool. Sick.
Yeah, this.
Dude, imagine stuffing my engine in this. Imagine an inline 3 turbo Corolla like this. Shit. The interior is really nice too. SR5, did he get that off like a 4Runner? Right?
I don't know. I think these might have came like that.
And an SR5 trim? I really like these, man. One day. This is a clean Miata right here. Yo, Remley, where you at? This is really clean, dude.
This is all stock.
Super clean. I like the Steelies. It's cool.
Steering.
Oh, look at the Supra, bro. Yeah. Clean. Honestly, props to this guy because black is so hard to keep clean. No? It's pretty clean. Yeah. And then, damn. Whose Corolla is that over there? What the? Sounded like a kaiju. For real. Yeah. Oh my God, no way. Oh, the FDR.
You thought it was too.
Yeah, I thought it was too. Yeah. And a single headlight. Yeah. No, that's not him. Yeah, look at that.
Came out last year to get through like roads.
Hey, pop the hood, bro. Pop the hood. Why not? Pop the hood. There's his. There's
there
mine.
another RWB that pulled up?
A photo of this, my Corolla and his old one. Sick.
Yeah.
That's so clean, bro. I love this thing. Corolla boys for life, bro.
What's going on, guys? We're at Nino's.
Yeah, we're gonna get some. Wait, dude, look at that. So many riders. The time that I don't. Man, come on, man. When I have my bike out, no one's riding, bro. So dumb. Anyways, we're gonna get some food. And yeah, we'll update you guys in a bit. We're trying out a new spot. It's pretty nice here.
We eating outside?
Damn, bro, I didn't even get to fucking vlog any of that. It was amazing.
The food was delicious.
I had a taco dinner. Man's had a torta. I wish I was recording because the dude can't even talk English. So if I was here by myself, I would have been fucked. But I got a personal translator here.
Yes, sir.
Here. Well, yeah, we just ate after the car show. Nothing too crazy. This might be our new spot, honestly. Damn, you hear that? Like I said, the time I take my car out, everyone is fucking out. Every time I'm with my bike, I don't see nobody. It's so dumb. So dumb. Actually, no, that's a lie. I do see some, but not as many as I just seen right here. They're booking it, dude. That's probably what Mel's exhaust sounds like from here. We could probably still hear it clear from here, and it starts fading now, and then go. But yeah, honestly, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. There's nothing else after here. Mitzi, if you watch this video, yo, I should have been right there.
And demoted your ass. You're
For
a lower
real.
lobby friend.
Literally teased us. She was like, all right, I need to take a break from this planning. I'm gonna come out and eat. Where you at? Where you at?
Here, obviously.
Man, you saved the seat right here too. That's wild. All right, anyways, we're gonna come back here though with all the homies because this is the spot right here. Feels like we're in Taylor Dragon, but yeah, we're gonna bring our bikes here next time for show. But I think that's it, man. Andy, you want to add to the vlog?
Nothing else.
Literally,
Okay.
it is a chill day. And yeah, all right. See you guys at the next upload. Take us out, Andy. Take us out with the torta.
Is that what torta?
Yeah, take us out with the torta. Actually, just kidding. I'm walking up to our cars right now, and this shit's so clean. Like, man, I've never seen my car this clean, bruh. Look at them wheels. Look at them wheels. Nah, his wheel's still dirty. JK. Yeah, boy. All right, now we end the video. See you guys in the next upload. Oh, wait. I'm gonna let the Corolla do it. Oh.